Meow if you're pretty. Oh! Yes, monkey. Wow! Hey! Can you say mama? Did you just say mama? How much more of a circle can you be? Can you give a squeak? Yeah, thank you. Say hi. Look at this little kitten. Hey. Oh, did she say hi? Can you wave and say hi? Thank you. Have a good day. Give me a high five. Thanks.
Give me a high five. Bam.
Good night, Gally. Alright, Mac. Good night, Bob.
And then she tried to do it again, and I was like, are you dumb? Because that just doesn't make sense. Like, it just wasn't getting through to her.
You're not a cow. You are not a cow. Come home.
No, you're not getting dinner. You're bad. No, you're not getting dinner.
Fun getting out the first time. Don't get in another one.
Get down. Ralphie, get off of the chair.
What?
You are not going back outside. No, you're not. You better stop talking back there.
Why are you looking at me like that?
Hey, we don't bark this early. Now, what did I just say?
Now somebody, anybody, everybody scream!
I'm so hungry I could eat a cat. An orange cat.
Hey, you're not gonna. Oh my God.
Look at this little kitten. Hey. Oh, did she say hi? Stop it. Stop. This isn't you.
What?
Patrick, no.
And they're lifting your hips up towards the ceiling.
Okay, you're gonna get hurt.
Milo.
Go. Let go.
Did he?
But I don't feel okay if she was trapped. Did you just do that by himself?
Yep.
There it is, buddy. Get the treat. It's right there.
Oh, I got it. You think you gonna not get a bath? Come on.
I'm told all the time that my job must be so fun because I get to play with dogs all the time, but this dude has been screaming the entire bath.
Do you want to go for a ride? Or how about let's go take a bath? Let's go get in the tub.
That is immoral, Mr. Keeley.
Let's go get in the tub.
No, let's go get in the tub.
I don't care how much you whine, you're getting a bath. No, you can't get out.
You had to have a bath. You were stinky. But you were!
What are you doing?
Huh?
What the fuck is going on? Holy shit! What are those dogs doing? Where they coming from though? These some nice ass dogs. What the fuck is going on? Holy shit!
Burn down! Burn down, please! Go home! Burn down!
Luna, hey, come here.
Well, this is a change of pace. She gets out herself and then Allie, oh, you son of a bitch.
Oh my god. Baby, are you okay? You look like you've seen some things. Do you need a hug? Or maybe a little tuna?
Hi, are we hungry?
Are you guys hungry?
Okay, say okay. He's horny. Right after surgery? Are you kidding?
Should I eat healthy tonight? No, I didn't think so.
What are you doing?
Stop pursing your lips while you poop. Stop it. Stop. This isn't you.